Okay, I'm gonna move on to story number 4, you guys.
All right, let's
And
go.
Story
Let's
number
go.
that it was hit in a significant cyber attack by society isn't an 80s teen drama, but a persistent threat to customer data. And I believe that IKEA Morocco and Kuwait faced a cyber attack causing disruptions on some operating systems. The attack is being investigated in collaboration with the competent authorities as well as our cybersecurity partners. Do want to add that this is really strange because the World Cup being in Qatar, and then also I didn't hear about this news until I got my hack notice notification, because I'm actually monitoring IKEA, and I got that notification. I was like, is this a test? And then I looked it up and it was not a test after 5 hours. So what do you guys have to say about this?
We'll call out to Hack Notice for being the service that notified you
Yeah.
of the IKEA breach.
And made me, it's serious, right? Like, it's not just, okay, there's a hack, and it told me, like, Hack Notice told me exactly where the attack happened. Like, it happened in Morocco and the Kuwait offices. So I think that was impressive.
Yeah, I think that just goes to show that breaches are happening all the time. People assume that if a breach happens, it'll show up in the news, but that's not the case. You may hear about a data breach or two in the news, but there's thousands happening that you don't hear about. I'm not surprised. I mean, the subheading is IKEA's hacked again,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Like, so we used to have this thing in our system where we assumed a company wouldn't be hacked more than once a year. And that has proven to be false. And so now, like, we have to allow we changed it from a year to a month. Now we assume that a company can't be hacked twice in a month. I'm sure we'll have to change that again.
Yeah.
But companies like,
I'm waiting for the week.
yeah, companies
I'm just waiting for it.
are breaking our assumptions. And yeah, IKEA doesn't have all of my passwords.
Would you call that over achieving their expectations?
I'm very clearly an optimist, and I was very optimistically assuming that IKEA wouldn't get hacked more than once a year, but sadly that's not been the case.
So
they're overachieving their goals.
I feel like there is an opportunity for us to make a table of the companies that were breached the most.
You know who makes a really good table? IKEA.
And
Go.
let's